emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carroll County and east central Ohio, Columbiana County and east central Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Augusta, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, East Rochester, Augusta, Mechanicstown, Millport, Salineville, Guilford Lake State Park, Beaver Creek State Park, East Palestine. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind, destructive hail, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move to shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for east central Ohio and western Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana.